Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. In today's tutorial we're going to make a complete breakfast. So let's get started. For that, hit Shift A and add a circle. We're going to make the table a round shaped table for our breakfast. As to scale it a bit, go to edit mode, F to add face, E plus Z to extrude it along Z axis, Control R to add a loop cut, S to scale the loop cut over the specific edges. Now add a subdivision modifier. Now in face selection mode, select the above face, S to scale it down. You have to give it a smooth face. Now for the cup, hit Shift A and add a cylinder. Go to edit mode, select the above face, S to scale it, Control R to add a loop cut, S to scale it, add another loop cut, adjust it like so, press X to delete the above face, add a subdivision modifier, add another loop cut. Okay, now we have our cup here. Add a solidify modifier, increase the thickness, shade smooth it. Now go to edit mode. Now add a loop cut to give it a beveled look. Hit Shift A to add a circle, R and X to rotate it along x-axis, scale it along y-axis and adjust it like. Now go to edit mode, wireframe, select the vertex like so, X to delete them. Now convert them to curve and give them some depth in the curve properties. Scale it along y-axis, shade auto smooth, now to make the tea in the cup, Shift D to duplicate the cup, S to scale it down a bit, remove the solidify modifier, scale it down, select the above first edge, F to make face, I to insert it and move it along z-axis to give a curved face to make it look like tea in the cup. To make biscuit, hit Shift A and select a circle. Go to edit mode, select checkers T select. Now we have selected every alternate vertex, scale them down a bit, select all and F to create face, E and Z to extrude it along z-axis, Control R to add a loop cut, hit 7. We need 7 loop cuts. Now turn on the proportional editing, scale the above face like so. Use a subdivision modifier. and let's place it with our cup. Now add Shift A to add a UV sphere. Shade smooth it and add 3 UV spheres. Shift A to add a cylinder. Now we are going to make croissant. Go to edit mode, select the both faces, Control and B to bevel them. You can increase the cuts by scrolling the cursor of the mouse. Shift D to duplicate it, scale it and adjust it like so. Now we will select all, shade auto smooth and hit join. Now we have our basic shape. Turn on proportional editing, go to edit mode, Control R to add a loop cut in the center. Turn on proportional editing, G plus Z to move it along Z axis. Shift and grab these two edges and G and Z to move it along Z axis. To rotate it along X axis, scale it a bit. We will go to edit mode, wireframe, select the corner faces like so, R plus Z to rotate it. We will do the same for the other side as well. Now we will select some faces like so and we will assign them a vertex group. Now we will adjust the croissant on the plate like so. Now we will make the egg. For that, Shift A to add a meta ball. Decrease the resolution to 0.2. S and Z to scale it down along Z axis. Shift D to duplicate it. Now we will give it an egg white type shape like so. Convert to mesh. S and Z to scale it along Z axis. We will give it a little thickness. To add a UV sphere, S to scale it down a bit. Shade smooth it. Now we will go to edit mode and select the face selection mode and delete the bottom faces like so. Adjust. Shift A to add a cylinder. Go to edit mode, select the two faces and Control B to bevel them. Now hold the side faces. Control R to add a loop cut in the middle. Turn on proportional editing and move it along x-axis. R and Z to rotate the selected faces and adjust it like so. Shade smooth it. Now add a circle by Shift A. E to extrude it. Face selection mode, S to lower down the size. Checkers deselect. X to delete the face. Let's add a subdivision modifier. Adjust it like so. We are going to make the juice glass. A to add a circle, edit mode, F to create a face. Delete the above face by pressing X. Add a subdivision modifier. Control R to add loop cuts. Add a solidify modifier and give it some thickness. Another loop cut. Auto shade smooth it. Shift A to add a cylinder to make the juice of the glass. Now go to edit mode. Select the above face, scale it a bit. E and Z to extrude it along Z-axis. Now we will give orange base color to our juice. To create a glass-like material, we will delete our principal BSDF and add a mix shader. Attach it like so. Now we will add a glass BSDF and a transparent BSDF and join them with the mix shader like so. And here we have our glass. We will do the rest of the materials like so. And here is our final product. I hope you like this tutorial. Make sure to like, share, subscribe and comment down below. Do tell me what should I make next. Thanks for watching.